Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. And today I have an unboxing from Yves Saint Laurent. If you follow me on Instagram, I put up a poll of like this item and which color I should get it in, and I think I'll be happy with my decision. So let's get started. So we got something from Yves Saint Laurent. Nice packaging, of course. There is the receipt. Put that right here. There's the dust bag. There's everything. Ooh, it already feels beautiful. Whoops. I'm forever dropping things. I believe this is maybe the care card. Put that down. And to reveal the... Ta-da! I believe this is the Yves Saint Laurent Cassandra envelope pouch, the one that's been making its rounds on YouTube and around the luxury community, because you can convert this into a crossbody with the use of an insert or just adding straps. And I got mine in the Rouge Legion. And it's sort of like this burgundy Bordeaux color, which I think is so pretty. I love this pebble green leather that it comes in. Oh, it's so beautiful. It is beautiful. I love it. What do you guys think? Yeah, so this is the color I chose. And we'll go ahead and take the package, that little foam stuff. But yeah, this is beautiful. It opens up gorgeous. It has some packing, some tissue paper on the inside. Oh, I love this. And there is the Saint Laurent stamping with Made in Italy on the bottom. And what I love is it has this pocket in the back where I can store my cash and coins or metro tickets, so I don't have to worry about that. And I absolutely love this color. It is beautiful. Again, don't have my glasses, so I may have to, after filming, I'm gonna go ahead and see what it looks like. So, inspect it more with my glasses. So yeah, that's really pretty. I love it. It is so pretty. So I'm gonna try for my first time to do the trick of adding the strap, and I have here, hold on one second. I have this pearl I guess extender with the O-rings on, so I'm gonna attach the O-ring to the strap, so that's how that looks. And I also have this strap from another bag, almost in the same color. This one might be a little bit more purple and a little bit more dark, but we're gonna see how it works. So this is how it would, oh, backwards. This is how this would look. I think it looks pretty good, no? With the little pearls. I don't think it looks too bad. So here's how it looks as a crossbody. Yeah, I think this looks really good. Here's how the pouch looks as a shoulder bag. I think that's really cute. I have the turquoise color that I have bought in before for my YSL Toy Lulu. Snap this on. Oh. And again, I'm gonna order 2 O-rings so that it can kind of look, I'm gonna move the pearls, so it kind of can look like that, minus the pearls. And like it should lay better. So, but yeah, so that's how that would look. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it would look something like that. So here is everything that I was able to fit inside of the pouch. Go ahead and open it up. Here are my glasses, just some reading glasses or my sunglasses. I just keep them in this Oliver Peoples pouch. Next I have, I'm just gonna pull everything out at random. My YSL card holder fits perfectly inside. I have my phone. Again, normally I don't factor in my phone, but my phone does fit, and it's an iPhone XS. There's that fly again, he's bugging me. I have a spray hand sanitizer, some blotting wipes, a hand lotion, and again, I keep everything like miniature so that everything will fit. My Dior lip glow, eye drops, and I have, let's see, right here, I have some nausea and headache medicine because I always travel with those because you never know. And I have 2 masks. And in this back pocket, I just put, well, I guess I could have put the mask in the back too, but I put some cash. And then I had my Metro tickets. Wait, do I have some Metro tickets? What is this? Oh, and my eyeglass cleaners. I had 2 eyeglass cleaners in the back pocket as well. But yeah, so that's everything that fit. It fits so much. I absolutely love it. And that was my unboxing of my brand new YSL Cassandra envelope clutch or pouch. I'm not really sure. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I love the color. I'm definitely going to play around with this, you know, as soon as I'm done filming. So when I was inspecting the bag itself is perfect. Like everything's beautiful. But on the wristlet strap, there is a pop stitch like right here. I'll insert photos, but yeah, I just saw that it's a pop stitch and yeah. So this one is unfortunately going to have to go back. Oh, what a real pity. I really liked it. It's just too bad. Like, yeah, I was just inspecting and I saw that and yeah, it's a pop stitch but that's okay. Send it back and then, you know, I can always get another one and that's okay too. So, but definitely I'll be getting it back in this color. I'm going to Paris soon, so I will definitely go in store and check it out. Be able to look it over with a fine tooth comb and it'll be okay. So thought I'd throw that in there real quick. Again, I hope everybody is well. I hope everybody is safe and everybody is happy. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.